Hey there, it's Brittany Chavers, and I'm back with Jessie Jane's Beads today with this Ocean Color Trends bead mix to make a fun pair of earrings. We're also going to use some 22 gauge artistic wire in gold, 2 ear wires, and 2 ball head pins from Bead. I'm going to grab this patinaed antique brass coin, a cute bicone in teal, a gold spacer, and another patina bead that's a bead cap. I'm going to thread my bicone onto my ball head pin, and then my patinaed bead cap and the spacer. I'm going to go ahead and wire wrap this into a loop at the top to create a dangle. And I'll do that by bending the wire backwards, then repositioning my pliers, bending the wire forward, repositioning again, and then bending the wire back one more time into a loop. Once we have the loop formed, I'm going to grab the loop and then wrap the wire around the base of that loop. And we can see that the gold bead is moving a little bit, but once the wire wrap is secure, that bead will be in place and no longer moving. You can use your fingers to create this wire wrap, or you can use a second pair of pliers like I'm doing here. Once that bead is secure, we'll go ahead and snip our tail of the wire. I'm going to cut a length of the 22 gauge artistic wire. And then we're going to create a wire wrapped loop at the top of this wire. I'm going to go ahead and bend the loop around my mandrel, grab the loop, and then tie the tail around the main piece of wire. You can create as many wraps as you'd like. I'm just doing a couple here, and then I'm going to snip my wire. I'll pile on my coin bead and then create another wire wrapped loop, but before I close it, I'm going to slip on our dangle. Once that's clicked in place, I'll grab the loop with my pliers and wrap that. And you can do that again with your fingers, or you can grab your pliers to finish it off. I'll take my nippers and cut. And then I will open my ear wire like you would a jump ring by swinging it open instead of pulling it apart. Once we have that open, you'll slip on your bead and then close it up just like you opened it. And that's your tutorial for creating a really fun and cute pair of patinaed earrings. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Jessie Jane's Beads for having me back. Have a good day. Bye-bye.